In this video, I will show you how to use GoHighLevel for Barbers. So GoHighLevel is an amazing software with a lot of different features, but it can be kind of hard to get started with and knowing exactly what you can use it for. So in this video, I'll just show you what you can do with GoHighLevel if you or your clients have a hair salon or a barber shop specifically. So in order to get started, first of all, you need to create an account on GoHighLevel. By clicking on the link on the description box, you'll be able to get a 14-day free trial on GoHighLevel, which would be enough for you to learn about the basics of the platform. So if you want to try that, go ahead and click on the link on the description box to create an account on GoHighLevel. Once you have created an account on GoHighLevel, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over to the sub account section. So go ahead and click on the sub account section. You'll find it under the prospecting section. Now once you click on this, you'll be able to get redirected into this page. So in here, go ahead and click on that add sub account button at the top right of your screen to be able to add your or your client's barber shop on your client's list. So what you can do in here is to use one of the available snapshot templates. A snapshot is basically a collection of templates for a specific industry. So as you can see, they have this one for hair salon. So hover your mouse on the hair salon and click on the select and continue button. Now this will redirect you into this section. If you have registered your business or your client's business on Google Maps, you can simply search it from here. You can also add account manually by clicking on this add account manually at the right side of the search field. When adding account manually on GoHighLevel, you'll need to enter a few personal information such as your first name, last name, and your email address. You'll also need to enter general information about your business such as your business name, street address, city, country, business niche, state, province, or region, zip or postal code, phone number, website, and time zone. Now, once you have entered all of the necessary information into this area, go ahead and click on that save button to save this on your client's list. Now, once you have saved this to your client list, you'll be able to get redirected into this area. In here, go ahead and click on that switch to sub account button to switch to your sub account. This will eventually load your dashboard for the specific client or business that you've added on your list. As a new user on GoHighLevel, this portion is empty. So once you head over into the site section, as you can see in here, you can go ahead and create funnels and websites using GoHighLevel for your barbershop. So once you head over into the website section, you'll be able to create a new website by clicking on the new website button and selecting from these two options. So I would prefer mine to be created from the available templates on GoHighLevel. Now that will redirect you into the template library. So in here, what you can do is to go ahead and search for beauty and fashion on the category section and check the checkbox beside it, and this will pop up on your results. So in here, go ahead and select the specific template that you want to use for your website. To be able to view that, just go ahead and click on that eye icon at the top right of that specific template. Now that will allow you to view how the website would look like once it's launched. Once you have decided to use this template, go ahead and click on that continue button at the top right of your screen to be able to personalize this template further for your own liking, style, and profession. This will take you into the editing page where you'll be able to personalize your website. So as you can see in here, the interface used on GoHighLevel is somehow similar similar on the interface of WordPress. So if you have used WordPress in the past, personalizing websites on GoHighLevel would be a piece of cake for you, since website creation feature on GoHighLevel would only require you to drag and drop items along with replacing photos and backgrounds for your website. Now once we head back, you'll be able to view the list of pages that you have for that specific client or business. You can simply customize each of these pages by clicking on the edit button beside each of this. And as you can see, this template actually has a calendar feature where clients can basically book an appointment. And once a user schedules an appointment using the website that you've created using GoHighLevel, that user's personal information would be kept at the contact section, and the set booking appointment will be made visible on the calendar section of your GoHighLevel account. So if there are appointments that weren't booked using the app, you can simply click on the new button at the top right of your screen to be able to add a new appointment for your calendar, which will actually update the calendar that you have on your website. So as you can see in here, you'll need to enter your calendar type, appointment title, date and time, along with the meeting location and the specific contact involved for this appointment. So you can simply select from your existing contacts or add a new contact if that client is new to you. Now once you head over into the block of time section, you'll be able to set the date and time of your block of time on your calendar to prevent clients from booking appointment. Existing appointments will still remain on your calendar. So this will allow you to inform your clients that you're away from home. Now once we head over into the calendar settings, you'll be able to find a few settings for your calendar. So in here, you can basically find the calendars, groups, service menu, rooms, and equipments. As you can see in here, these are my existing calendar groups. So you can simply change it into the name that you prefer. Now once you head over into the group section, you'll be able to find all the available groups on your business. Now on the service menu, you can create your own service menu and start by creating a new service menu and adding groups to it. Now let's head over into the room section. So as you can see in here, once you hit on that add new room button, you'll be able to add a room name, description, total capacity, and select the availability of that specific room for your client. So you can actually use this feature for naming the different barbers available on your barber shop, adding descriptions for your barber, and setting the total capacity that that specific barber can take for the day, along with the specific service that that barber can offer. Now once you hit on the create button, that will be reflected on the room section. Now you can also find this equipment settings. You'll find it beside the room section, so click on that. As you can see in here, you can add the list of equipments associated to specific services offered by your barbershop. Now let's head over to the preferences settings. So in here, you can actually set how you want your calendar to look like once you view it. You can set when the week starts on, the services that you offer, the language and the region offered for your calendar. So as you can see in here, this is set to English, but if you want to set it into your native language, you can simply set it into that. Now once you're done with this, you can simply click on that save preferences button to save this preference settings for your calendar. Now let's head over into the connections area. The connection settings, you can simply enable Google Organic Booking. So to be able to enable this, you'll need to verify your location details along with the business and services that you offer. Now on the local services ads, you can connect your Google AdSense into your calendar. This is only available for those users from United States, as you can see in there. Now let's head back into our calendar. So to be able to do that, go ahead and click on your sidebar and click on calendars. So as you can see in here, you can create an appointment manually by clicking on that new button at the top right of your screen, wherein you'll need to enter a few information related proceeded to the appointment set by your customer. Now, once you have created this, just go ahead and click on that book appointment button. Also find a contact section on your GoHighLevel account. Whenever clients enter their information on the form provided on your website, their whereabouts along with their name will be saved on the contact section. In the automation section, you'll be able to find your workflow list. So this actually demonstrates how the forms, the funnels, and the websites works. Now let's try to open one of the available workflow templates in this section. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find this. This actually demonstrates the workflows of how new leads are created on your account. So you can actually modify this workflows by clicking on the parts of this that you want to change and save it once you're done. This is actually a great demonstration of how the funnels and sites works. So to be able to create funnels, let's go ahead and head over into the site section. Funnels are actually web pages for your websites which can create once you have discounts or unique offers for your clients. This hair salon offer is actually an example of a funnel that you can incorporate with your website. As you can see in here, this has 3 parts such as offers, schedule appointment, and the thank you page. You can actually use this template for your funnel by clicking on the edit button for that specific page that you want to change for this funnel. And once the user schedule an appointment using that offer, you can actually view that appointment on your calendar. If they already have a website, then what you can do here is to go to the chat widget section, then click new now. As you can see in here, you'll need to select live chat, guarantee to offer a live chat bot for your website. In this section, you can go ahead and customize and personalize your chat bot specifically on how you want it to look like or appear for your existing website. After you personalize it, you can simply get it for WordPress by clicking on the Get It for WordPress button at the top, or get the code if your website is manually coded. You can simply save it if your website is created using GoHighLevel. Now, all of the conversations that your clients will have with this live chat will be reflected on the conversation section of your account. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the chats that your clients made with that live chat bot. Now you also have an AI that you can set up to answer the questions that come through the chatbot automatically. To enable this, you'll need to head over to the conversation AI section and set this to autopilot. Save this as your settings and head over into the bot training section to be able to train your conversation AI bot. So in here, you can simply provide your website URL and this conversation AI will fetch your data. Based on your data, that will train your bot on answering questions on the live chat. You can also customize bot responses, including frequently asked questions that aren't available on your website. So on the configure intent section, you can simply enable appointment booking. This will allow your clients to set appointments using the chatbot available on your website. After you enable this, just go ahead and set on what event was this appointment reflect for your calendar. Now save this and head over into the business profile section. So on the business profile section, go ahead and scroll down at the bottom and enable missed call text back. It is highly important for you to enable this to be able to find this at the top of your conversation section once you head over into your conversation section. It's basically the overview of the features that you can access on GoHighLevel. Now, if you want to create an account on the platform, go ahead and check out the link on the description box and click on that to be able to receive a 14-day free trial on GoHighLevel. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a like. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.